channel. My name is Jenner. For those that are new, thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're actually going to be doing something different. It's not a car video, it's not a gym video, it's actually a cooking video. As you guys know from my first vlog, I like doing cook videos. I like doing, I just love cooking, guys. It's my thing, you know. If you guys actually know me, you guys will know that I used to work as a chef back when I was in my country, so I know pretty much the basics, you know, the basics, the seasoning and everything. But I'm going to tell you guys a little something that I learned back when I was in middle school. Elementary. So when I was in elementary, my dad would work 2 jobs, you know, he wouldn't be home, but at least I had my mom there who would cook for me and everything, cook all my meals, my breakfast, my, you know, dinner, lunch, everything, right? And I had a couple friends that actually, you're probably going to see this, you're going to be like, this freaking guy, right? They actually, you know, their parents would work, both mom and dad would work 2 jobs, right? 2 jobs, 1 job, you know, and they didn't have, you know, I guess, you know, lunch or dinner, you know, and they'll bring, where's the back, the Maruchan, you know, the classic Maruchan, you know, the $1 cups, you know, they'll come and they'll be like eating it raw or just like warm it up and just eating, right? And I mean, I'm not talking bad, but the soup, I tried it myself, it's really good. But you can add so much nutritious facts, you know, to that soup. You know, that soup is plain, you know. I'm Catholic. I know I do a lot of crazy things. You guys might be thinking like, hey, this guy's not freaking Catholic, you know. But there's a story actually in the Bible where it says the rock soup. It's a story where you know Jesus comes, you know, or God comes to, you know, the earth, and then a lot of, you know, people, you know, poor villages. We're talking about like. That they didn't have, you know, they didn't have nothing to eat, you know, they didn't have, you know, things to eat and everything, and he got everybody together, you know, from the villages, and, you know, one person had tomatoes, the other person had lettuce, the other person had meat, the other person had the you know, what's it called, the logs, you know, so they start heating up water, you know, the other person brought, so one person brought rocks, which it was salt, so they started doing all these things where they built like I want to say like a supreme pizza, like a supreme soup. It was like, you know. So I got that idea from the Bible, and actually I haven't read the Bible, guys. I do apologize, but actually my grandma would tell me these stories. Rest in peace. I love you, grandma. But yeah. So we did this, and it gave me the idea. You know, that's what I told my friends back when I was in elementary, because I knew this story back when I was like in 2nd, 3rd grade. What did you guys grab your Maruchan? It's just like low nutritious value. You add meat to it, and you add a couple boiling eggs. And it's not that hard to cook. It takes minutes. As you guys see, I'm doing this while I'm talking. Oh shit! Excuse my language. You know, cut the meat into pieces, and you get a meat soup with eggs. You know, same thing with chicken's a little bit sketchy to cook because you gotta know how to cook it, because it might look cooked from the outside and inside still raw. But meat, it's just, you know, for me it's more simple to cook, even though people think meat is harder. For me, chicken is harder. But it's a simple soup. You guys can make it like this. You know, if you guys have a friend, you know, maybe you guys have your little brother, little sister, they know they're staying home or whatever, share this video, because these little facts, these little things will help them out. You know, even if they don't know how to cook meat or they're scared to cook meat, they can just cook a couple boiling eggs, get some protein on that freaking soup that, you know, you make it to a, you know, better soup, better quality, better facts, more nutritious for them, you know. Stay tuned for how everything's gonna look afterwards. Now, the reason I'm doing this video, I don't want you guys to think like this guy doesn't know how to cook, or this guy is just I don't know, just trying to do a cheap soup or whatever. This is something that, you know, you guys probably don't know this, but you know, it's a lot of kids out there who, you know, parents work. You guys don't know this, but
well, if you think about it, regular Maruchan soup is actually actual cheap soup. So when you add this, it's actually rich soup. Actually, really,
it makes it better quality, definitely. Yeah. You got nutrition facts. You got meat. You know, this one's really cooked. Don't put raw meat on the soup, guys. Wait until it's actually cooked. This is pretty much we're gonna be doing. We're gonna wait for the eggs to boil up, and then we should be good over here. They're still working on it. it's gonna be for me. My brother and my sister said she's full. So don't think, guys, I don't know how to cook. Don't think I'm doing this because I don't know, like, or you guys probably gonna be like saying like, this guy's trying to do this kind of soup. But this is actually making the soup better, more nutritious for the young kids. Because I'm telling you guys probably don't know this, but there's a lot of kids out there that have their parents working 24/7 and that's all they get. You know, and I don't mean to talk bad about this soup. You know, I love it. Like I said it before, I'll say it again. I love it, but you can add so much nutritious fat to this. Say to how it looks. And just to, because we just came from the gym, get the protein. Like always, out of the blender. Whew. Damn. And if you guys see my vlog video 1, I did mention that when you guys are cooking, as soon as you finish one thing, you clean the other while you're cooking. So you don't wait till the end. You don't wait till, because once you sit down and eat.
Kitchen mistakes.
Once you sit down and eat, you'll be so full that you just want to either go to sleep, chill, and then you won't wash the dishes. You know, so I would recommend as soon as you're cooking, you're done with one pan, one pot, whatever, you start washing it. The things I do recommend is the pan. The pan, wash it while it's still hot, because just put it in the water, soak it up a little bit, and start scraping it, because it comes out much easier when it's still hot. If for whatever reason you forget, or for whatever reason you have no time to wash it, at least leave it soaked in water, so that thing doesn't, so whatever you cook doesn't stick on the pan, you know, because that's gonna be a lot harder to take out the next day, or the next couple hours. So on the spot, once it's still hot, wash it, it'll come out easily. You can see the soup has taken color. If you guys do see right here though, honestly with this boiling eggs, I never had no experience. I mean, I cooked them when I was training, doing diet, but I always wait for it to show a little crack. When it show that little crack, that means it was cooked, I guess, because you don't want it that raw, because it will be kind of like runny. That's kind of like I don't like that, but that's a little advice. Went to a little crack once it's like fully on boil, it'll crack a little bit, kind of like when the egg's too hot. So it's a little tip. Once the eggs are cooked, it's always good to put them in cold water, right, bro?
Yeah.
So it's easier to peel and easier to take out.
Still kind of hot.
Still kind of hot, yeah. So it's just faster, because if you do wait for the eggs to get cooled down, what, 1 hour? Probably, yeah. So cold water really fast and you'll be done. A couple of seconds. Alright guys, so once it's done, the eggs, the meat, chicken, pretty simple. Honestly, it looks kind of like ramen, dude. Definitely looks kind of like ramen. What do you think, bro?
Looks pretty good.
Yeah? Does
Yes.
it smell good too, or just
yes.
good? Woo, that's hot, bro. Damn.
That's like every girl's morning coffee.
What the hell?
Ese necesita más jugo, mira.
Just remember, if you're under 16, wear gloves.
Yeah, dude. I burn myself.
So, as you all know, me and my brother, we eat big time. So it's like 1 pound and
Pound soup.
2 pound soup, yeah, with everything. Like always, we cook like at what, 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
It's like 1 a.m. We just came from the gym, so we're just gonna munch meat. We pretty much got protein, and more protein. We got eggs, we got meat, we got protein milkshake. So, yeah, let's get it. That's what you're supposed to do after each workout. But let's send it, guys.
Hold me close till I get up.